Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you are new here. I am making watermelon gazpacho. And let me tell you, I have been consuming so much watermelon this whole summer. Literally, I have it cut up and ready to eat 24/7 now. It's in season and I cannot get enough. It's so hydrating and it's so good for you. So I wanted to show you a recipe that I just whipped together. It makes the most refreshing, crisp watermelon gazpacho. I'm just doing a more simplified version and I absolutely love this recipe. It has a little kick. It's got the perfect amount of everything. If you want a nice, refreshing drink, this gazpacho is gonna be perfect. There are so many different recipes out there for watermelon gazpacho. You can put tomatoes and peppers and onions and garlic and different herbs and spices that make it taste more savory. But I am doing a more crisp, simplified version. If you don't know what gazpacho is, it's basically a chilled soup. Many different countries make it a different way, and depending on how you serve it and what's all in it kind of makes it that certain variety. There is no right or wrong way to make it. It's just honestly what you like. Make sure you subscribe down below before you leave and like this video if you found it helpful, interesting, or entertaining to watch. So yeah, let's get into how to make watermelon gazpacho. Alrighty guys, so first off, I am peeling a half of an organic cucumber, and the reason why I'm taking the skin off this guy is because when I blend everything together, I want it all to be completely smooth. So I'm not being perfect with this, but I am getting the obvious off. So some reasons why I like cucumber is because it contains vitamin K, vitamin B and C, and minerals like copper, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium in just a cup of sliced cucumber. So this guy is definitely a winner in my book. And I also like that it's light, it contains lots of water, and it just works really well in this gazpacho. So yeah, definitely give it a try. This is a great combination with the watermelon. So speaking of watermelon, the star of the show, watermelon is 92% water, but it also contains vitamins like A, C, B6, tons of antioxidants and amino acids. Also, when you're blending everything together, make sure that your watermelon is super ripe and that you get it right out of the fridge so that everything is nice and cold. It just tastes that much better. So here I'm just adding the cucumber to the watermelon, and next up is my lime. So I couldn't find organic lime, so I did just get a standard lime, and I am just squeezing half of this guy into the container. And some benefits of lime is digestion, it lowers blood sugar, it reduces inflammation, it helps weight loss, and prevents cancer. So lime is definitely awesome. Here I'm just adding some organic mint leaves. I put a generous amount in there as well. I just love it. It gives that nice minty taste. And the cayenne pepper. I love cayenne pepper. I put it in a lot of things, and you don't need a lot. I just sprinkle a little bit in here. Cayenne boosts metabolism. It reduces cold symptoms. It has so many benefits as well. I love it. So yeah. Once you have added all of your ingredients into whatever blender you have, I'm using a Ninja, just blend everything together until it is smooth. It doesn't take long either. Everything is pretty much water, so it mixes really nice together. And when you're done, you get this beautiful, smooth, delicious mixture of heaven. Honestly, it's perfect. So I just pour it into a nice big glass, and I am going to be adding some mint leaves on top. I just think it adds a nice little extra touch. It adds some color. And then just add your favorite straw and you are ready to enjoy. So this is so fresh, you guys. It's so good cold. It will last a couple days in the fridge. Leave a comment down below what you put in your gazpacho, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.